Hello? Hey, we need a video. Okay, for what? I don't know, we just need a video for our business. Yeah, believe it or not, we get calls from businesses like that all the time that know they need video but have no idea where to start or what they need to create, and that's okay. In this video, I'm gonna give you the 4 vital ingredients that should go into your ideation process when it comes to coming up with creative ideas for your brand's video content. And make sure you stick around for number 3 because it's one of the biggest reasons a very large number of brand videos flop. Please stop just hitting the record button without a plan. You're wasting your time, you're wasting your money, and you're wasting valuable company resources. I'm Julian Tillotson, founder and CEO here at INDIRAP. We're a top-tier video production and content marketing agency that delivers eyeball-hungry, unforgettable branded video content along with performance-driven monetization and distribution solutions right to your doorstep. The first ingredient your video needs is utility. Ask yourself, how are we actually going to use this video and how is it going to benefit our sales, marketing, training, and recruitment efforts? Sounds simple, but if you're going to create a video, it should deliver in one of those departments. It needs to move the ball forward in some way, shape, or form for your business. Is it going to help you get more sales? Is it going to help you grow brand awareness in a new territory? Is it gonna get new hires excited about their new job? Think about it and write that down. This is the premise of your next video or series of videos. No more blindly creating throwaway content, folks, please. This content is gonna be part of your army of videos that relentlessly scales your brand with a purpose. Number 2, you gotta be authentic. You gotta be yourself. Yes, some of you are part of a corporate brand and you have a reputation to keep up, but that doesn't mean keep it dry and corny. You know why? Because that's not who you are and that's definitely not who your audience is gonna interact with. Your customers are smarter than they've ever been these days when it comes to knowing what's real and authentic versus what is a made-up, stuffy facade that's not keeping it real. And that doesn't take one iota away from you being a business professional. It just means being you 100% of the time when you're creating content. The most loved branded video content online is content that showcases brand culture and the people behind the brand. It shows them laughing, collaborating, smiling, enjoying themselves, and most importantly, getting shit done for their customers. That is what audiences connect with. They connect with people that are human just like them, not some made-up caricature of what a traditional professional is supposed to look like. I mean, if you haven't logged into LinkedIn lately, check it out. Gone are the days of it being a stuffy resume site. There are people on there sharing their stories, being true to who they are as professionals, and keeping it all the way real. Welcome to corporate America version 2.0, folks. It's okay to keep it all the way authentic with your audience. Before I give you number 3 and number 4, if you're digging this content and you're learning some new tips and tricks on how to grow your brand online, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to get vocal, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. All right, let's get back to it. On to the number 3 way to create great content for your business. You got to keep your content digestible, especially if you're creating content for top of funnel customers. Let's put ourselves in their shoes for a second. I'm searching for a specific product or service and 2 videos come up. One is yours that's 8 minutes long and the other is a competitor's that's a 60-second long promo video. You're asking them to take time out of their day to stop and watch your content. Will they be more willing to invest 8 minutes or 60 seconds? Without really having an established relationship with your brand, 9 times out of 10, they're gonna pick the 60-second top of funnel video, which will increase your competitors' chances of gaining them as a new customer. With that being said, make sure your content can be distributed across your online presence in multiple digestible formats. For example, if you're creating a brand overview video, yes, go ahead and make the full-length 3-minute video, but you may want to think about repurposing that same content into a 60-second and a 30-second version for your paid ads, landing pages, cold emails, etc. Basically, you want to make sure your content is meeting people where they're at in their customer journey. If they're in the discovery phase, shorter content is usually better so that you can quickly create trust and transparency with your customers. Once they're ready to explore more and you have their full attention, you can hit them with more in-depth content to move them along through your sales funnel. And this doesn't just go for sales and marketing content. If we're talking about internal training videos, instead of having a library of 5 45-minute videos for new recruits to watch and learn from, chop those 5 videos up a bit based on specific topics and add them to an online training module like Thinkific or Kajabi. That way you'll have 5 main chapters made up of 5 or so smaller digestible videos in each chapter. The information is way less intimidating when it is broken down this way. Your information retention rate will skyrocket and your total time watched will see a notable increase. Now, number 4 is an easy one. Make your video content shareable. Unless you're creating some kind of internal communications video, all of your video content should be shareable. Sounds pretty damn basic, but ask yourself these questions. Can a customer or potential customer watching my video easily share it? Are my team members able to share this content with our customer base? And is it shareable across all social sites? Again, sounds simple, but what I find is that a lot of companies silo their content by embedding it into their website or behind a firewall. Make sure that you distribute your content across multiple public-facing platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and all the top social sites. The easier it is to share, the more chances you'll have of engaging with your audience and gaining a new customer. Those are 4 simple rules you can follow to maximize the ROI of your next video creation. If you're still wondering what you can do to create some amazing video marketing for your business, click the link below to book a free 30-minute content strategy session with an INDIRAP content expert. We'll do a deep dive into your brand's content strategy, and you'll walk away with a blueprint detailing the top 3 most hyper-effective pieces of content you can create today to grow your brand online. I appreciate you all. Think you're amazing. Thanks for watching. And just like that, I'm out.